Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you had a happy holidays and a great new year. This is going to be my first video for 2024. I had a very busy holiday season with work and a lot of other things going on, but while shopping, I was able to find one of these, a hoverboard, for really cheap. Actually, this is a sharper image one. Not sure if there's much difference between this and some of the other ones. I think this one's more of a kid's style one instead of the larger hoverboards. But I wanted to open it up because really the big thing that I want to take away from this is the motors themselves. There's two brushless motors, one on the left and one on the right, that are controlled by internal circuitry and everything, but I have found many YouTube tutorials and online videos regarding pulling these out, I should say, and then allowing you to hook up an Arduino to them with a different type of brushless controller. I was able to open this one up. I had to twist this one because somebody damaged the screw right there, but I opened it up and quite a bit of stuff here. If you guys watch a lot of other YouTube channels, there's been a couple of different YouTubers who have used these for different projects. Don't know if the battery's any good. The power button doesn't seem to do anything with this, so I think the battery on this is dead. I by chance might have a charger for a lithium-ion battery like this, so I am going to look for that because I haven't found it since I moved a year ago, which kind of sad if you think about it. But if I've got one, I'm going to try charging this battery, and I'm going to pull out these motors later on and hook these up to a couple of brushless motor controllers I purchased that work with the Arduino. And I do have a couple of power supplies. Well, I should say I have one benchtop power supply. Otherwise, I do have a 12-volt power supply just kind of sitting over here from a 3D printer that I'm going to try to wire up and test these motors out, because I would really like to use these to build a very basic mobile robot platform, or just experiment with them, as this is one way to kind of recycle old electronics. And one of the big things I want to push for in 2024 and going forward into the future is reusing older items to educate people, or educate myself, or, you know, inspire others to recycle these old electronics. Just because even though they might not be worth something to you, they could be, well, a great way to learn a lot of things. And it's kind of neat to see the engineering design of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish pulling this apart, and I am going to do a video on the motors themselves once I've got them pulled out and put onto an Arduino, so that we can make sure that they work. And if they do, whoops, I'm going to kind of rotate that, then we're going to go over how they function and everything. And I might do a video based on just the hoverboard and kind of its concepts overall later on, but I just wanted to make a short video just showing this and opening it up. You can see a lot of different things in here. Real quick basic run through is we have our battery pack right here, lithium ion. We have two brushless motors. We do have sensors here that use kind of like an IR feedback, and you can kind of see right here there is this foot pad. This is where the foot pad is. You can kind of see that in the picture there, kind of flexing. Right here is a receiver that is indicating whether you are pushing down on it. So it acts like a kind of like a push button on it. And then we do have multiple motor drivers built onto here. When I pull these boards out, we'll take a look at these a little bit closer and talk about it. But really the big thing, like I said, I want to harvest from this is these motors and possibly the battery pack to build a small mobile platform for other designs. But we'll see how that goes. So again, I hope you had a happy new year. Welcome to 2024. And I hope that everybody has a great year, especially since we just started a new one, and let's all learn together. And again, enjoy the rest of your holiday season if you are still on holiday when you see this video.